Today we are going to
Sir.
start revision. Model paper number 1. Section A. Question numbers 1 to 16 are of 1 mark each. Internal choice is provided in 5 questions. So section A, first question. Write the type of number zero point 1014101444 dot. First question, write the type of number. Type of number, 1 mark question. Means whether it is rational or irrational. Irrational. Neelam Sisodia, Garvit Sharma, irrational. Okay, irrational. So, this is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. And non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is an irrational number. It is non-terminating, and non-repeating decimal. So it is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. So your answer is this one only, irrational number, and this is our explanation. Any number which is non-terminating but non-repeating is an irrational number, and non-terminating but repeating decimal is a rational number. Non-terminating but repeating will be rational number, and non-terminating, non-repeating is an irrational number. Second question. Write the zero of the polynomial. Write the zero of the polynomial Px is equal to 5x plus 2. Write the zero of the polynomial. Hardik Jain, -2/5. -2/5. Hardik Jain, Vibha Hada, -2/5. Lakshita Dhakar, Garvit Sharma, Mohini Shukla. Okay. So it is minus 2 by 5. 0 means the value of x which makes the whole polynomial equal to 0. So you put 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then find the value of x. So x will be, this is minus 2 and the coefficient of x will be in the denominator. If we put the value of x in this polynomial, the whole polynomial becomes 0. So the correct answer is minus 2 by 5. Third question. Question number 3. If x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 by 2, then write the value of 4x square plus 4 upon x square. 4x square plus 4 upon x square. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2, then write the value of 4x square plus 4 upon x square. Who will solve this? This is 1 mark question. X minus 1 upon x is equal to 2. So Garvit Sharma, answer is 9. Garvit Sharma. Hardik Jain, 9. Okay. 9. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 by 2 is given. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. This can be written as, use the identity a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into 1 by x, 1 by 4. So this is cancelled. So x square plus 1 upon x square, 1 by 4 plus 2. That is 9 by 4. Multiplying by 4. Multiplying by 4. We have 4x square plus 4 upon x square. 4 cancel, 9. So your answer is correct. It is 9, yes. Many have answered very correctly. If we multiply by 4, this is 4. Here 4 and 4 cancel, that is 9. Question number 4. Question number 4. The point of intersection, the point of intersection of both coordinate axis is called you have to answer Bhavya, Vibha, Garvit Sharma, नीलम सिसोदिया, गौरानवी, ओके, राशि, ओरिजिन, करेक्ट, ओरिजिन. Come to the next question. The following table, question number 5th. The following table shows the marks scored by a group of 90 students in maths test, in mathematics test of 100 marks. This is table. Marks number of students, zero to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 7, 10, 19, 20, 10, 15, 9. Find the probability. Find the probability that a student has got less than 20% marks, less than 20% marks. In the meantime, I am going to take your attendance. Oh, many have answered. 9th A, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Seventeen is absent. 17 is absent. 18, 19. 18, 19. 20, 22. 22. 23, 24, 25, 23, 24, 25, 25, 15, 15 is present, 28, 28, 29, 31, 32, 34, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37. Now B section. 1, 6, 1 is present. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 20, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 24, 25, 26, 28, 28, then 33, 33, 33, 34, 36, 37, 37, 51, 135, 135 is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Correct. Then what is your answer? 7 by 90. Okay. So P probability probability you can write simply PE. Probability of an event less than 20% marks. These marks are out of 100. So this is less than 20. Favorable, number of favorable outcomes is 7, and the total number of students, that is 79. 79. 7 by 90, not 70, 90. Okay, 90. The total is 90. The total. So 7 by 90 is the correct answer. Question number 6. Question number 6. 6 is find the length of each side of an equilateral triangle of area 4√3 centimeter square. Just to find the length of each side of an equilateral triangle of area 4√3 centimeter square. गर्वित शर्मा 4 सेंटीमीटर, भाव्या, लक्षिता, निवेदिता, शुभा लक्ष्मी 4 centimeter. Don't write only 4. Okay. So if the side is A, so √3 by 4 into side square. This is formula of area of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4√3. So side square is equal to, this is cancelled, so 16. So side is equal to √16, that is 4 centimeter. Unit should be centimeter, 4 centimeter, correct. 4 centimeter, okay. Come to question number 7. Question number 7. If Px is equal to 3x plus 10, then find the value of Px plus p minus x. Find the value of px plus p minus x. This is polynomial in x, 3x plus 10. Then find the value of आकाश विजय 20, ध्रुव प्रजापति 20, भाग्या 20, आकर्षक सेन 20. Oh, many have answered very correctly. 20. Okay. So Px is given. So Px plus P minus x. Put x is equal to 1. So 3 plus 10. Put x is equal to 3x plus 10 plus. So Px is given 3x plus 10. This is Px. This is Px. A plus P minus x. P minus x. Put x is equal to minus x. So minus 3x plus 10. 3x plus 10 plus x is equal to x, and then x is equal to minus x. So this is cancelled. So 20 is the 10 plus 10. 20 is the correct answer. Your answer is 20. Question number 8. Question number 8. Write the class mark of class. Write the class mark of class. Write the formula of class mark of a particular class. How can we find class mark? That is midpoint of a class interval. So what is the formula? Write the class mark of class. True upper limit plus true lower limit by 2. Highest number minus lowest is range. The upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Correct. Upper limit. So class mark that is lower limit plus upper limit by 2. True lower limit plus true upper limit by 2. Or simply we can write lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So come to question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. In the given figure, Find the value of x. So this is a circle. With center O. This is A, B. This angle is 80 degree. C is a point. Join C to B, C to A, and this is X. O is the center of the circle. Central angle is 80 degree. Find the value of X. Garvit Sharma, Bhavya, Vibha, Dhruv Prajapati, Lakshita, Himanshi, Swati, 40 degree, Parth Saini, 40 degree. So, the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended in the alternate segment. So, angle AOB will be equal to 2x. This angle will be double of this angle. So, x will be half of angle AOB by 2. So, 80 degree by 2, 40 degree. So, 40 degree is the correct answer. So, you are right, 40 degree. Now, come to question number 10. Question number 10. Write the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. (540 degree). Write the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. So 540 degree. 540 degree is the correct answer. Sum of interior angles of a polynomial n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is general formula where n is equal to 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 3 into 180 degree, 540 degree. So your answer is correct, 540 degree. Neelam Sisodia. 540 degree. So this is general formula where n is the number of sides of a polynomial. Polygon, not polynomial. This is polygon. Polygon. So next time we will start from question number 11 onwards. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.